Going to the gym to work out is a fantastic way to improve your overall health, build strength, and achieve your fitness goals. However, it's important to approach your workouts with knowledge and awareness to make the most out of your gym sessions. When you're starting your fitness journey, it's common to make some mistakes that can hinder your progress and can even cause injuries. In this video, we're going to discuss some common mistakes that beginners make in the gym that can negatively affect your performance in the gym and increase your risk of injury. Before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss future videos. Number 1. Eating a banana just before working out. One common mistake that many beginners make at the gym is consuming a banana right before their workout and not giving themselves enough time for proper digestion. While bananas are a great pre-workout snack that can provide your body with the necessary energy required for optimal performance, eating it just before you work out can lead to discomfort, bloating, and even cramping during your training. This is because bananas are high in fiber and contain natural sugars, which takes some time for your body to process. Therefore, it's recommended to eat a banana 1 to 2 hours before your workout. This allows your body enough time to digest the fruit, convert it into usable energy, and ensure that you feel comfortable and energized during your training session. By giving yourself enough time for digestion, you'll be able to optimize your performance at the gym. Your body will have properly absorbed the nutrients from the banana, providing you with a sustained release of energy to fuel your workout. Number 2. Not warming up. Another common mistake beginners make in the gym is neglecting to warm up before their workout. Warming up is a critical step that prepares your body for the physical demands of exercise, helps prevent injuries, and maximizes the benefits of your workout. By skipping the warm-up, you may put yourself at risk of injury and compromise your performance. When you warm up, your heart rate gradually increases, increasing blood flow to your muscles, which delivers oxygen and nutrients to the muscles. This prepares your body for the physical activity and helps loosen up your muscles and joints, improving their flexibility and range of motion. A proper warm-up typically consists of dynamic stretches, light cardio, and mobility exercises. Number 3. Doing cardio before weight training. Another mistake that beginners often make in the gym is emphasizing on cardio before weight training. While cardio is an effective way to burn calories and improve cardiovascular health, doing it before weight training can hinder your progress in the gym and can slow your results. This is because when you perform cardio, your body uses most of the energy during cardio, and you will feel low on energy and fatigued when you transition to weight training. This will negatively affect your performance during weight training, and you won't be able to lift as heavy as you could have. Furthermore, weight training can help you build muscle, which increases your resting metabolic rate, meaning you will burn more calories even at rest, leading to increased fat loss. Moreover, while cardio exercises directly burn calories during the activity, weight training has a longer lasting effect on fat burning. Weight training creates micro tears in the muscle fibers, and as your body repairs these tears, it utilizes stored energy sources like fat. This means that even after you've completed your weight training session, your body continues to burn calories during the recovery and repair process. Number 4. Overtraining. Many beginners, when they start gym, easily get caught up in the excitement of working out and make a mistake of overtraining their body without giving proper rest and recovery. It's important to note that rest and recovery is crucial, and overtraining your body can have negative effects on your progress and overall well-being. Overtraining your body beyond can significantly increases the risk of injuries. When you lift weight, you create micro tears in your muscle fibers. These micro tears are repaired through proper rest and recovery periods, leading to muscle growth and strength development. Furthermore, overtraining can also lead to low testosterone levels and high levels of cortisol, which is the stress hormone. To avoid overtraining, it's crucial to listen to your body and give it the rest it needs. Number 5. Perform with half range of motion. When it comes to exercising, maintaining proper form is essential for both safety and effectiveness. However, many beginners make a mistake of sacrificing form and full range of motion in order to lift more weight. It's important to note that lifting with proper form and full range of motion is more important and effective than lifting more weight with bad form and performing half reps. Poor form and half range of motion can limit the engagement of the targeted muscles, reduce the overall effectiveness of the exercise, and increase the risk of injury. To ensure proper form and full range of motion, it's important to understand the correct technique for each exercise you perform. It's crucial to focus on the quality of your movements rather than the quantity, and avoid ego lifting. Start with lighter weights and practice proper form and full range of motion to ensure maximum muscle activation and minimize the risk of injury. Number 6. Doing heavy deadlifts. Deadlifts are a popular compound exercise that targets multiple muscle groups, including the back, legs, and core. However, it's also an exercise that beginners often struggle with and can make mistakes which can cause serious injury. One common mistake is attempting to lift heavy weights without proper technique and preparation. Deadlifts require a strong foundation and proper form to avoid injury. It's important to learn and practice the correct technique, which includes maintaining a neutral spine, hinging at the hips, and engaging the core and leg muscles. Starting with lighter weights and gradually increasing the load as you become more comfortable and confident will help you build strength and avoid unnecessary strain on your back. Remember, fitness is a journey, and it's natural to make mistakes along the way. However, educating yourself and avoiding these common mistakes can boost your progress and overall performance in the gym and reduce the risk of injuries. Keep learning, stay consistent, and enjoy the process of becoming a fitter and healthier version of yourself. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it informative, please like and share it with others who may benefit from this information. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos.